In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swiftly insert mathematical symbols like the plus minus and minus plus signs into your Microsoft Word documents. Whether you're preparing a detailed mathematics paper or just adding a bit of flair to your reports, Microsoft Word offers a built-in feature to make this process seamless. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your documents in a few easy steps. First, let's open up your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't already, launch the application and open the document where you want to insert these mathematical symbols. Once you have your document ready, you might want to scroll down to the section where you need to place these symbols. If not yet written, you can also plan your layout now. This can help in integrating the symbols smoothly into your content. Now that your file is open, let's move on to the next step. Look towards the top of your screen and locate the Insert tab in the toolbar. Click on this tab. This is your gateway to a wide array of adding features, from tables and pictures to hyperlinks and equations. It's an incredibly useful tab for adding non-text elements to your document. Under the Insert tab, you'll find various options, but today we are focusing on the Equations section. Click on Equations, and you'll see a gallery of mathematical symbols and structures appear. This feature in Word is quite powerful, designed to help users seamlessly incorporate mathematical equations and symbols into their documents. If you write lots of technical papers, it might soon become one of your most used features. Here's the crucial part: locating the specific symbols you need. In the symbols group within this equation gallery, you should be able to spot both the plus minus and minus plus symbols. They make it easy to add a bit of mathematical formalism to your text. These symbols are commonly used in various fields, such as physics and engineering, where they often represent uncertainty or dual possibilities. So don't hesitate to click on them once you find them. Doing so will insert the symbol directly into your document, exactly where your cursor is placed. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added mathematical symbols to your Word file. Feel free to add additional symbols as needed and explore the other functionalities within the Equations section to enhance your document further. Such simple steps can really make a difference in how professional and polished your document appears. Thank you for tuning in today. By following these instructions, you're now equipped to quickly style your Word documents with mathematical symbols, adding that extra layer of professionalism and precision. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your productivity tools. Have a great day.